Okay, so welcome to this last video of today, where we are going to do a triangular arbitrage, but now with bid and ask, right? Because the things that you did for homework and activity and in the last class look something like this, like you only had 3 rates. We didn't need a bid. You only had 3 rates. But now it's going to be different. Now we have bid and ask. And now that we have bid and ask, there are some things that are going to change. There are 3 things that are going to change. I will write it in here so you can also take note. So the first thing that you need to consider is that now we have bid and ask. So in every step, like we have steps when we move towards the triangle, you need to be careful with bid and ask. Every time that you convert from one currency to the other, you have to check if you are going to use bid or ask. So that's the first thing that you need to be careful. Second thing, and this is maybe good for you, you don't need to calculate cross rate, right? No cross rate. It's not necessarily. I won't be asking you to calculate the cross rate to tell me if it's possible to make triangular arbitrage. So it's not mandatory anymore as it used to be. Why? Because it doesn't make sense. We have bid and ask and we don't really know which one we're going to use, so it doesn't make sense to calculate the cross rate. And finally, number 3 is that, do you remember that previously if we got a loss, then it didn't matter because we could do the other triangle and the other one will give us profit, or the other way around. If we got profit, if we do the other one, we will get loss. That doesn't work in here. So you need to do the 2 triangles. Okay. You need to do both triangles. You need to do both. It doesn't matter if you get profit on the first one, because, and I will show you that at the end of the video, that you can get double loss, and in that sense you choose the less loss, and then you can get double profit and then you choose the best profit, or you can get profit and loss. But it's not that like before, that you get profit in one and that means that you get loss on the other, and the other way around. If you get profit, you will get loss. It's not like that anymore. You can get loss, profit, but I will show you when we are at the end. So now, because we have to do the 2 triangles, let me start with that. So now it's different because we have 1 million pesos. So we start in pesos, okay? So we'll start in Mexico. And from Mexico, we can move to US and then to Europe, or we can do it the other way around. We can do it pesos to euros and then to dollars, and then we go back. Now we have to do the 2 triangles, so it doesn't matter where we start. So first step, buy dollars, right? Let me put the arrows, so maybe it's easier, right? So it's like this, then again it's like this, again it's like this. To have a triangle in arrows, I will copy that and add it here. Okay, so the first step is to buy dollars. I have 1 million pesos, as in here, 1 million pesos. And now I have to be careful. That's why now we have bid and ask. Which rate will I use? So first question, I have dollars and pesos, right? I have pesos and I need to convert it to dollars. So I need to use this or this, 20 or 20.5. So the first question that you need to answer, bid or ask. What currency do I need? I need dollars, right? Because I need to buy dollars. I have pesos, I need to buy dollars. So if you need to buy dollars, what are you going to use, ask or bid? You need the currency at the bottom, right? You need the currency in the denominator. So because you need that currency, you're going to use ask. So remember, I can copy that from the last video. Like here, right? If I need the currency at the bottom, I will be using ask. So I will get this one. Then divide or multiply. I have pesos on top and pesos on top. That means I need to divide. And I think we are also fulfilling the other criteria. When you divide, you are using ask. That's true, right? I'm dividing and I am using ask. So that's good. Format, and this is dollars, okay? Now, second step, buy euros. So when buying euros, I need to use my dollars. And again, question, bid or ask. So it's going to be either this or this. What currency do I need? I need euros. Euros are at the bottom, so that means I will use ask. So 1.3. And the next question, divide or multiply. I have dollars on top and dollars on top in here too. That means division. So this over this is euros. Right, we're done with step 2. Finally, we need to buy pesos. Buy pesos. So I bring the amount of euros that I have, and I need to convert euros to pesos. So which currency will I use? This or this? Sorry, which rate? This or this? So I need to decide if it's bid or ask. What do I need? I need pesos. Pesos are on top this time, right? So I need to use bid because of this rule. And now, am I multiplying or dividing? I have euros on top and then in here euros at the bottom. So that means that I need to multiply this times this. And this is peso, right? So I got a loss. If I subtract the initial investment was 1 million pesos. If I subtract the initial investment, that gives me a loss of this amount of money. This is pesos, right? So it's okay. Let's do the other triangle. But here I don't guarantee that I will have profit as previously now because we have bid and ask. So it's possible that I can get another loss. It's possible. So let's do it and let's check what are we going to do. We'll just copy this to get the format, but I will erase it. So step 1, buy euros. So if I need to buy euros, I will start again with 1 million pesos. 1 million pesos, that's what I start, and I need to decide bid or ask with pesos and euros. Pesos and euros are here. I need euros. Euros are the currency at the bottom, so I will be using bid. And do I need to multiply or divide? I need to divide, right? Because I have peso on top and peso on top, so that's division, 1 million over 24, and this will be euros. Step 2, buy $5. So I will bring my euros. I will convert these euros to dollars, but I need to check if I need to use bid or ask. So in this case, I will need to use bid, right? Because I need dollars and dollars are on top. So 1.2. 1.2 and multiply or divide. I have euros on top, but in the exchange rate, it's at the bottom. So that means they are crossed. So I multiply. Like this. And this is, what is this? Sorry, dollars. Next step is to buy pesos, the final step. So I need to bring my dollars like this, and I need to convert dollars to pesos. So exchange rate, which one will I use, bid or ask? I need to use bid, right? 20, because I need to buy pesos, 20. And this is 20 pesos over dollar. So I need to multiply because I have dollars on top, dollars at the bottom, multiply this times this, and I end up with 1 million, right? So it's this. And I finish with this same. I didn't get a loss. That's also a possibility, right? Like in the end, it's what happened here? Like that, right? So in the end, no profit, no loss. I'm neutral. So what do you prefer from these two? I think I would prefer to do this thing, right? I would prefer to do this. That's a possible answer. So let me change some things in here. Imagine that you have 20.1, right? Still less than 20.5. So we are okay with the rule that bid is lower than ask. So if you have 20.1, you will make a profit, right? So this is profit loss. If that is the case, you choose profit. Imagine that you have 19.9. In this case, you have loss and loss, double loss. If that happens, you choose the less loss, okay? So that can happen. Profit, profit, loss, loss, profit. If you have profit, profit, mind that this is positive and this is positive, choose the one that is more positive, right? More profit. So this is the other thing that we needed to do. So for today's class, only finish the activity. I know that next class we have a holidays. We have the Holy Week, so you won't have homework, so you can rest or do whatever you want. So you have to worry about school for 1 week. So we don't have homework. Only complete activity 5, which is due for for this class. So that's all. This is a new topic. I hope that you understand this thing with bid and ask. That's basically the new thing, and follow these rules. You don't have, now we have bid and ask, so be careful with that. No cross rate, but you need to do the two triangles. Okay, so that's everything.